Service Star of Rivers State, Her Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, esteemed members of the Rivers State Executive Council here present, the Commander Joint Task Force South-South Operation Delta Safe, the Chief of Policy and Plans Army, other principal staff officers from Army Headquarters, our host, the General Officer Commander 6th Division, and Land Component Commander, Operation Delta Safe, senior officers, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, it is with profound honor and gratitude that I lead my members of my entourage to pay you this courtesy visit. We are here in Rivers State for the 163rd anniversary of the Nigerian Army that will be taking place here in Rivers State. It has been a week-long activity that will be culminating in the grand finale on Monday, 6th of July. Sir, in that celebration, we're expecting 21 chiefs of army stars from African countries, 2 former presidents, and most likely His Excellency, the Vice President of the Federal Republic, will also be here as a special guest of honor. So throughout, we have been conducting various CIMIC activities that will cross the length and breadth of the state. In some of the CIMIC operations we are conducting that will impact positively in our various communities as part of our own civil-military relations to win the hearts and minds of the people. Rivers State has been so special in the support it has provided the 6th Division now to conduct their operations. So in respect of the Nigerian Army Day celebration for this year, I want to specifically thank you, sir, for the support you have rendered us, especially the infrastructure, the stadium that you put in our disposal for hosting the event and other activities that you have done in the DIF headquarters as part of your own contribution to ensure the success of that celebration. So we are very, very grateful, sir. On that note, I want to, on behalf of all my entourage, once again, thank you most profoundly for the assistance you have rendered us, and we're expecting you also on our grand finale. Thank you very much, sir.
Let me first of all to say congratulations on your appointment. I think this is an opportunity for me to wish you a successful tenure. And also to commend you. I'm commending you because within the short period that you've been appointed, I can confidently say that there's a lot of positive things that our state has recorded in terms of security and also welfare. It's enough to say thank you. I wish you that your tenure will record a lot of positive improvement for the Nigerian Army. I want to also say that we're really happy that in the face of everything, you chose Rivers State for this very wonderful celebration. Significantly for us, it speaks 2 things: that Rivers State is peaceful, Rivers State is worth securing. And what do we owe you for this? We owe you our support. We owe you our collaboration in ensuring that your lieutenants that are operating here, whatever it is that is needed for them to succeed, as a government, will support them. Let me also assure you that we will be there to give you all the necessary support on Monday to see that this program succeeds. You don't need to thank us for providing the facility, putting it up to standard for your use. It is our responsibility. It is our responsibility. Like I said, your choosing River State is even more important than every other thing. I know I have my reason for that. So let me thank you. And to also thank your men, the GOC, the commanding officer of body camp, Bello. Yeah. I want to also thank you people for the support you're giving to us in the state. I can say that production has increased in Nigeria. Our oil revenue is making progress because of the support of the Nigerian army. And this support has to do with the fight that they are taking seriously on the issue of pipeline vandalization, issue of bunkering. And what else can we say? You are doing this work. The positive side of it is what every one of us are enjoying. So the Chief of Army Staff coming to River State, choosing River State for this event, for me, is very significant. Very, very significant. I can't thank you enough for that. But I want to close by saying that we are not going to rest on our oars in ensuring that whatever we need to do to make you succeed, we will. We will not hesitate to do it. We wish you well. We also wish your program a successful event. We'll be there by the grace of God to support you. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Any visitors register?